for alligator, snapping so fast. B is for bear with fur that's built to last. C is for cat, purring soft and sweet. D is for duck with webbed little feet.
E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, jumping all day. G is for goat, climbing so high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby.
I is for iguana, green and neat. J is for jaguar, quick on its feet. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lion, roaring with spree.
M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for newt, sliding with ease. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, sliding in flight.
Q is for quail, running with speed. R is for rabbit, hopping with need. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, swimming so deep. X is for cirrus, running with speed. Y is for yak, with wool